Kepo mar obila mar omwalo paro ogen chake kod duol matayo chenro mag obila National Police Service Commission e pachoka mangima ka oloso Mombasa. Ogai mar obila Douglas Kanja kaachiel kod jakom matayo duol mar obila Amani Koroma osingo ni gibiro tiyo kanyakla maonge ywaruok e kindgi. Kindeno Mikai Koleta Auda oyange kaka jalup jakom mar duol mar NPSC.
To strengthen the recruitment process, the Commission adopted the National Police Service Commission Recruitment and Appointment Regulations 2025, which will guide the recruitment process. The regulations are developed pursuant to Section 28 of the National Police Service Commission Act to address the gaps identified in the earlier regulations of the period 2015, while incorporating emerging issues in policing and human resource management.
I welcome the Commission's decision to commence the recruitment of 10,000 new police constables. This initiative could not have come at a more critical time when the service members are dwindling due to natural attrition and other factors. Strengthening our human resource capacity ensures that the service remains adequately equipped to address the evolving security needs of the nation.